Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 17, Example 9. In this example, we want to solve the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals 0 by using the quadratic formula. In step 1, we want to simplify each side if needed. This equation is already simplified. In step 2, we want to write the quadratic equation in standard form if needed. Standard form for a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This equation is already in standard form. In step 3, we want to identify a, b, and c. In standard form, a is the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant. We want to make sure that we keep the sign that is in front of each of those numbers. So for our problem, that means a equals 2, b equals a negative 5, and c equals 1. In step 4, we want to plug in the values found in step 3 into the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Plugging in our values into this formula, we're going to get x equals a negative and b is a negative 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so we'll have a negative 5 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 2. In step 5, we want to simplify if possible. This will give us x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4 times 2 times 1, which is 8, all over 2 times 2, which is 4. We can subtract that 25 minus 8 under the square root and get 5 plus or minus the square root of 17, all over 4. This will not simplify any further, so our final answer is x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 17 all over 4.